Michaelis-Guttman body are seen in. It is seen in xanthogranulomatous pyelonephritis, malakoplakia, Neil-Patella syndrome. None. So the correct option here is malakoplakia. Why malakoplakia? Malakoplakia is a variant of cystitis. It is related to chronic bacterial infection, mostly by E. coli or occasionally by the Proteus species. It is characterized by unusually appearing macrophages and giant phagocytes. It points to defects in phagocytic or degradative function of the macrophage. It is a peculiar pattern of vesical inflammatory reaction characterized microscopically by soft, yellow, slightly raised mucosal plaques. So Michaelis-Guttman bodies are seen in malakoplakia. DIC is seen in DIC means disseminated intravascular coagulation, which is a very important topic. It is seen in acute promyelocytic leukemia, acute myelomonocytic leukemia, CMC, autoimmune hemolytic anemia. Acute promyelocytic leukemia. Disseminated intravascular coagulation is associated with promyelocytic leukemia. Acute promyelocytic leukemia, that is AML M3, constitutes 5 to 10% of all cases of AML. The leukemic cells of these types of anemia are hypergranular. Promyelocytes contain thromboplastin-like material, resulting in widespread disseminated intravascular coagulation. Also, no majority of M3 cases demonstrate a reciprocal translocation between 15 and 17. So it is acute promyelocytic leukemia. Liquefactive necrosis is seen in. We all know liquefactive necrosis is seen in brain. Flare is seen in axon reflex. Cystic mediated necrosis is seen in Marfan syndrome. Causes of constrictive pericarditis are TB, SLE, brucellosis, D, A, and B. Correct option is D, A, and B. In cell death, myelin figures are derived from, always remember, they are from the cell membrane. Enzyme that protects the brain from free radical injury is superoxide dismutase. Fat necrosis is common in omentum, breast, retroperitoneal fat, D, all of the above. In apoptosis, cytochrome C acts through APAF1, which is activated for nuclear fragmentation in apoptosis. It is caspases. Annexin V is a marker of apoptosis. Which of the following markers is specific for gastrointestinal stromal tumor? It is CD117. Multiple epidermoid cysts are seen in. The features of Crohn's disease are all except lymphoid aplasia. Female is affected, male is not. What is the chance in children? 50% affected. The inheritance pattern of family autosomal dominant. Male to male transmission is seen in autosomal dominant disease, which is not a picture of Down syndrome. Pigmented birthmarks. Lines of John are seen in coralline thrombus. Anemia with reticulocytosis is seen in hemolysis. Maximum spirocytes are seen in autoimmune hemolytic anemia. Anemia associated with leukemia is myelocytic leukemia. Chemotaxis is mediated by leukotriene B4 and C5a. Hyperimmune IgE syndrome is called as Job syndrome.